Don't wash dried shiitake mushrooms with plain water anymore. A simple restaurant-style trick can soften them in just 3 minutes without waiting a long time. Hi friends, it's Nancy here. Many people only rinse dried mushrooms with water, but that may not be enough. Dried mushrooms can still contain hidden dirt, sand, and even residue used to help prevent mold during storage. Today, I'll show you a quick and simple way to soften mushrooms fast, while also cleaning them much more thoroughly at the same time. For many years, I used to soak mushrooms the traditional way by placing them in cold water and waiting 15 to 20 minutes for them to soften. While that method works, it takes a long time and sometimes the mushrooms still do not feel completely clean afterward. Instead, start by placing the dried mushrooms into a bowl of warm water. Warm water helps soften the mushrooms much faster and loosens dirt trapped inside the surface. After that, gently rub and clean each mushroom using your fingers. Pay extra attention to the underside and around the stem area where dirt can hide more easily. You may be surprised at how much residue comes off during this step, especially if you normally only rinse mushrooms quickly with water. How do you usually clean mushrooms at home? Please share with me in the comments. I would really love to learn more kitchen tips from you. After soaking the mushrooms in warm water, add about 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch directly into the bowl. At first, it may sound unusual, but this combination works surprisingly well. Use your hands to gently squeeze, rub, and wash the mushrooms for a few minutes until the sugar begins to dissolve into the water. You'll start noticing the mushrooms becoming softer, while the water slowly turns cloudy from the dirt being removed. Once the sugar and cornstarch are mixed into the water, transfer everything into a container with a tight lid. Make sure the lid is sealed well so the water does not spill out while shaking. Now, gently shake the container back and forth for about 3 minutes. This is the part that surprises most people. As the mushrooms move around in the warm water, the mixture helps clean the surface more thoroughly, while also helping the mushrooms soften much faster. I shook it for 3 minutes, and now I'm going to open the lid and take a look. Look at this. The mushrooms have become much softer and plumper. The surface also looks smoother and slightly glossy, making it look fresher and more appetizing. Let me squeeze one to show you. Each mushroom feels soft, juicy, and fragrant. And now, there's no more dirt stuck on them. You can rinse them a few more times with clean water to make them even cleaner. Now take a look at the water after washing the mushrooms. Those tiny black particles, little bits of sand, and fine dust floating in the container all came from the mushrooms. This is exactly why simply rinsing mushrooms with plain water is usually not enough. Here are the mushrooms after I gave them a final rinse with clean water. They look cleaner, softer, and ready to cook. Even inside the folds and underneath the mushroom caps, there's no dirt left behind. If you try this method, remember to come back and let me know the results in the comments. Now the mushrooms are completely clean and softened. I'm gonna share a simple and delicious recipe that I really enjoy making at home: chicken stir-fried with shiitake mushrooms. First, prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Place them into a bowl, then season with a little salt, black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix everything well and let the chicken marinate for about 20 minutes. This helps the chicken absorb more flavor and stay tender while cooking. While waiting for the chicken to marinate, take the cleaned mushrooms and cut them into medium-sized pieces. You don't need to slice them too thin. Slightly thicker pieces help the mushrooms stay soft and juicy once cooked. When everything is ready, place a pan on the stove over medium heat and add a little cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add minced garlic and stir gently until fragrant. The smell of garlic cooking in oil always makes the kitchen feel warm and comforting. When the garlic turns lightly golden, add the shiitake mushrooms to the pan. Stir-fry the mushrooms for a few minutes until they soften and release their wonderful aroma. At this stage, the mushrooms become glossy and smell rich and savory. Next, add the marinated chicken to the pan. Stir well so the chicken and mushrooms absorb the seasoning together. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and a little sugar to balance the flavor. Continue stir-frying until the chicken is fully cooked and coated in a light sauce. The mushrooms will stay soft and juicy while the chicken becomes tender and flavorful. Finally, transfer everything to a plate. Sprinkle a little sesame seeds and chopped green onions on top for extra aroma and color. Now let's taste this dish together. Wow, it's wonderful! A warm and fragrant dish with tender chicken and soft shiitake mushrooms full of rich flavor. This dish is simple, comforting, and perfect to enjoy with a bowl of hot rice. Sometimes the smallest kitchen habits can make a big difference, especially when preparing cleaner and safer meals for the people you love. I hope these simple tips help make your meals easier, healthier, and more enjoyable at home. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for staying with me today. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.